Hi, it's Paula from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Here is a really quick tip today how to do some quick squaring up of smaller blocks when you do not have a turning cutting mat. As you can see here, I've got one larger mat at the bottom and then I've put another smaller mat on top, and I'm squaring up those blocks by turning that smaller mat around rather than turning the block itself. So when you do that, just make sure you keep a little bit of pressure on the ruler and the block itself when you're turning, so they don't move as you do that. That way I've managed to square up all of those hourglass blocks in really quick time. Instead of every time I move the block I have to readjust the ruler and kind of go from there. So this is a small tip for all of those smaller blocks you need to square up. Just get yourself a smaller mat if you don't have one. They are not very expensive and you can use them instead of turning mat. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll share this tutorial. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy sewing and see you next time.